through decadence, nations have reached a new age where everyone kills for no purpose. The valley of evil will always await when traveling over the under. This hatred and promise of safety is something that came with the shit we've been told by the system. The churches of rise, they spit on their servants, allowing the demons to infiltrate further inside of religion. They battle the spirits, but still you can't stop the resurgence. The wonderful, bountiful beast of the version has fooled you again with the shade of his curtains. The powers of sin, they begin with the cursing and started within. Can you feel the rebirthing of the Antichrist? The rivers run red with the turning of light. Blood, it drips on down, behold the witch, now you'll be sacrificed. The cries of the innocent blend with the sinister, making of sounds being invoked to the ministry, gobbling everyone's mind up with sympathy, making this poverty worsen. The pentagram isn't a symbol of violence. This honest mistake has been known to provide all the stereotypical reasons of silence that hold no control over Satan. As most do believe that he doesn't exist, it will only be shattered when faced with the sins they committed relating to life in itself when the Bible is burned and destroyed. Don't turn around, you might not like what you will see. The monster lurking in your shadows always finds a way to breathe. You try to run, you hide, but you cannot evade what's inside. All the voices that tell you to kill, bury them in your conscience. It's time to prepare for the night.
Is this it, mortals? Is this all the fury you can muster? You are not prepared.
The devil's theory, show no love, you run your mouth, don't turn around, this raining blood up in the south. And if you got a fucking problem, come and solve it. Hope I promise it's gonna be your last breath. Murder, murder, meet your death. Doom said, what I rep, I keep it real until I die. While these bosses talking plenty shit, homie, quit your crime. You just jealous cause we making hits while you spitting lies. Pump the trio taking over, I can see it in your eyes. Know you're fucking with a killer, that be all up in the mask. It's your petty soul, I'm killing, leave your body in the trash. I drop like a 10K, homicide, evil stank. Let the music do the talking while you gawking like a line. Drag your body through the river, make you beg for your life. Having evil thoughts of murder as I'm dipping on my knife. See you red in the night, getting fucked, I'm down to fight. Pussy broken, try your luck, I got you dead in my sight. Whip the bitch, with the pistol grip, I don't need shit. Bust the lip, the blood you spit. Walk you late, I smoke the spit. Drag your body to the pit, break your bones so you can fit. Set that shit up ice, then I sacrifice you to the six. Trio run this devil shit, busting all these other clips. Fuck with us, you get the clip. Watch it as your blood drip. Feeling like a schizophrenic, filled with rage, I'm so satanic. Focus and I don't panic, bust those stuff with all this manic. I'm insane, my mind deranged, can't control my fucking brain. 10 gauge here to bring the pain. Detrimental to all you lames, fingers twitching for that clock. 15 rounds will knock you off, midnight creeping down your block. Next victim is Polish chop, your body will fucking rot. Y'all ain't about this evil shit, you counterfeit, hypocrite. Trying to stay relevant, underground rapper bitch. Always on the trio's dick, get the fuck off before we have to hit another lick.
Wake up early every morning, smoke a bowl and burn a square. Man, this works inside my mind, I've seen the traits, I sit and say I'm well aware of what the prophecy has shown, but still cannot believe the darkness that's inside it shall arise and take a hold of me. Burn, we all will turn into dust, the wind it blows. Life is what you make it, so I turn that bitch into my own. Sit and wait as I slowly contemplate about